Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying your account type and having the final image accessible on the laptop. Open Settings and go straight to Personalization, then Lock Screen. Don't detour into other menus. Once there, choose the background drop-down and pick Picture so you control the image rather than Windows Spotlight. Click Browse, navigate to the folder with your file, and select it. This step sets up the chosen file for the lock screen. It's the first crucial action to replace the default image. Now refine how the lock screen behaves. Make sure background remains set to Picture and not Slideshow or Windows Spotlight, because Spotlight resets automatically. Once done, click Choose an Image and confirm the exact file. You can crop if the interface offers it. If you use multiple monitors, check Preview and set scaling so the subject isn't cut off. Also decide whether to show Lock Screen App Status and turn Syncing on or off, depending on whether you want uniform images across devices. Finish by locking the machine, Windows key +L, to confirm the new image appears. This immediate check prevents surprises. If the picture didn't update, sign out and sign back in or restart Explorer. EXE to force the UI to refresh. Make sure the image file isn't on an unavailable drive and that file permissions allow your account to read it, since a blocked path reverts to default. If Spotlight reappears, disable it and reselect Picture. This resolves most stubborn reset issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.